Good afternoon and welcome to Cambodia. So here at the west gate of capital city of Angkor Thom, old capital city of Cambodia. So today I would like to bring you to visit one of the temples that locate in the corner at the northwest of this capital city, Angkor Thom. So let's join with me. So on the top of the west gate, they designed with 4 faces of Buddha. It looks beautiful. So now I'm standing on the wall of the capital city. So let's join my walking together in the jungle. Okay. You can hear many different birds are singing. So here's the thick jungle inside of the capital city. There's beautiful jungle flowers. So down here is the moat. It's a man-made moat. It goes all the way around the capital city. So this city is surrounded by a big wall, long wall. It looks very peaceful and quiet. So they use lava rock to build the wall all the way around the city. Wow, look at this tree, very big, and the root just grow very long. Wow, I've almost arrived. So it took me around 15 minutes. It built from late of 12th century. So this is some part of the temples, stones. And on this side also. Wow, look at this temple, so beautiful. Prasat Chrung, northwest of the capital city. Wow, look incredible carving of the ladies. Original. Wow. Very deep carving inside into the stone. Look at this beautiful crown. Amazing. Cambodian arts in nearly thousand years ago. Wow, look at the door. It's the false door. Not a more carving here on this side. Wow, look at this one. She has a very good smiling. Very nice smiling. Wow, look at this original carving. The earring are so beautiful. Amazing. Inside of the building, someone put the offering here, banana, for praying. Beautiful flowers. A lot more stone blocks here. And there's, wow, look at this small carving here. So this temple is surrounded by the jungle. Beautiful nature. So the moat of the city still go all the way around. Look the water, look murky colors. And on the other side, it's a village. A lot of people also. So the wall is so high. So thank you very much for joining this walking trip through the jungle and see this beautiful temple, beautiful Khmer art. So please subscribe my channel for more video. See you in the next one. Have a good day.